Good afternoon, Justin here with the Avant-Garde Collection. Thought I would take a minute and do a walk-around video for our 1966 Corvette Coupe we've got on Bring a Trailer this week. It is a fantastic and beautiful car in Laguna Blue. She is wearing blue vinyl interior as well and a 4-speed transmission. This car is equipped with a 327 cubic inch V8 engine producing 300 horsepower. It is very pretty. The color is fantastic. I wanted to do a live video because you can kind of really see in moving how straight the body is on this car. Just a real winner. Love the red line tires, flip up headlights. All the chrome is excellent. Around the windshield too. All tight and flush. Wipers, how great are they? These cars are just gorgeous inside. I'm always in a great mood when I get to drive one of these cars. I drive lots and lots of 911s, but this is just something special about a V8 Corvette. When I get in one of these cars, it's just a day to remember. All the carpet's in great shape. Headliner's perfect. Visors are great. Gauges. Cool steering wheel too. This may have to suffice for natural light photographs. We do have natural light coming in here, so it gives you an idea, but it is raining outside and it may continue until the end of the sale. And there you go, guys. If you need other pictures, specific areas you want me to focus on, I'm happy to do it. We don't have anything to hide with this car. It's just as nice as can be, and we're happy to do whatever it takes to have the buyer feel more confident. Thanks, guys, and happy bidding.